Game one, 128-112 on Sunday. Victory for LA. They shot 53% in that game, and it wasn't LeBron James and Anthony Davis only. It was the
points in the paint and then, of course, transition baskets.
Bane denied by Davis. The Lakers had 11 blocks in game one. James ahead of the field. Turns the corner for the deuce. Deferring at times where Darvin Ham has told him, hey, get yours. When I call a play for you, run it.
No, but I love the maturity part of not wanting to disrupt and think about disrupt.
Big finish, Dylan Brooks. Lakers are 1 of 8 to open up. James goes behind the back. James, long two-pointer, bullseye.
Over the last 2 years in the regular season and playoffs when starting in place of Ja, Ian.
Yeah, Jared, no doubt. They signed him to a 2-year, $30 million deal. Bank shot goes for Xavier Tillman. All right, Jared, three-point miss by D'Angelo Russell. The Lakers are 2 of 12 from the field. Jones finds an opening and a chance at a three-point play.
So it's still an added bonus. There it is. So Dylan misses his first 2 three-point shots.
Reeves. Oh, saucy. Chance at a three-point play. Corner 3. And then a steal by Kennard. Step back Jang. Bottom. Plus the foul. Back-to-back bangers. In his last 4 playoff games, 2 of 13 entering action tonight. Beasley, that's an open look.
Big
Bottom.
Shot. Big shot. Way back in the day.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
No. Here's Bane. The pull-up. Bane will break you. And Memphis up by 7, looking for more. Bane, the cross, lays it in! Desmond Bane! Memphis up to 48% from the field. Is Bane feeling it? Yes, sir!
Yep. So doing an excellent job of not settling for jump shots and forcing the play inside.
LeBron James forcing his way inside.
For the Lakers.
Jackson didn't score in the first quarter. Bane continues to deliver. You know a little something about Ohio.
I know a little
scoring
bit about
records.
it. Yeah, just a little.
There's Bane. Couldn't spin it in. Oh, he nearly had a sitter. Instead, it's a Conchar deuce. A high school quarterback. James, the 3, buries it from long range. Jackson, lob, catch by Conchar, blocked by Davis, over and over again. Break opportunity, and James lays it in. That's what we want. We want the Lakers. Let's go. Is he up to the challenge? Right now he is. Back-to-back buckets for Dylan Brooks. Davis. The fadeaway doesn't go. And rebounded by Aldama. Up ahead, Tillman running the floor.
Darvin Ham's approach with AD to really empower him. I've been told over the last couple of weeks, AD has been a true vocal leader in shoot-arounds and practice.
Taylor Jenkins has spaced it out. Final 3 minutes and change. Play them together at the end of the first half. 10 points for Luke Kennard. Hachimura's got the physical advantage, and he takes it right to the rim. Not a huge impact in this first half from D'Angelo Russell. Jackson drags the defender, and he lays it in with Hachimura there. Memphis up 13 with possession, a minute to go. Second quarter, Jackson got a 3. D'Angelo Russell just 1 of 4. Bane got the scoring started in the first. And once again, it's Tillman crashing the boards. Even in the first half, you just look at the numbers. 5 of 9, 12 points, 6 boards. Again, a breakdown. They have attempted just 5 free throws, 2 out of 5. Brooks to Tillman. He's going to try it and connects from the outside. James lines it up. Misses on a 3-ball. Long rebound. Reeves takes it strong for 2. Great tip by Vanderbilt. Here's James against Brooks. Help lurking, and James finishes in a crowd. Jackson was there for the double team. They clear the area. Back in. LeBron. Everybody stays at home, and LeBron makes them pay. Roddy feeds it for Tillman. Roddy, the jumper is pure. And here come the Lakers the other way. James, locomotive, LeBron James. Early offense. Davis, one-on-one, takes it around Ronnie for the bucket. Anthony Davis, great first step for two. Russell on the outside with 12. Davis, high-low action. Hachimura the catch, couple of pumps, and an easy lay-in. The Lakers know exactly what they want, and they're taking it.
It's funny how momentum shifts a little bit right now. 5 for 13.
Hachimura cans it. A long-range hit for Rui Hachimura. Ron James on the bench. Lakers are down by 8. Reeves, confident. Austin Reeves, 71-65, Grizzlies. Jones, that extra gear, great speed from Tyus Jones.
Thing that somebody can tell you because the actions speak louder than words.
Kick out. Roddy, a three. 67, and Roddy has been a lifesaver. 3 of 6 from long range. Hachimura, the answer from Hachimura. 24 years old, now in his 4th year in the NBA. Kick, Kennard. Kabam. We're down to 50 seconds to go in the 3rd quarter. 10-point lead for the Grizzlies. Jackson, the spin move over Hachimura. Guarded by Kennard. Switch. Hachimura puts it on the deck. Shows it. Fades and hits. Rui Hachimura. LeBron James on a handoff. Schroeder. Blocked by Jackson. But it ricochets over to Vanderbilt for the bucket. The bounce goes LA's way to cut it to 10. Conchar pinches over. Now help from Jackson. Find the cutter, Vanderbilt. LeBron's basketball IQ through the roof. 84-75, lob it. Jackson the catch, fakes out Vanderbilt, and rocks the rim. He got Brooks to commit for a moment. High-low, Davis. 2 defenders there. Cutter, James slams it down. AD to LeBron for the hammer.
That time, the timing impeccable by LeBron James on the cut.
Brooks got him, a 3. And Brooks staring at LeBron. LeBron not returning his gaze. James lobs it. Davis, collapsing defense, shot clock down to 8. Russell trying to make it happen. No look. Reeves, the 3, got him.
Anthony Davis now is going to be a 2-on-1 on the weak side. D'Lo able to exploit that.
Jones back for Tillman. Short pop goes. Xavier Tillman. Russell floats it up. No good. Rebound to Russell. And he'll reload it off the window. D'Angelo Russell cuts it to 9.
That supporting cast that kind of puts you over the top. And
oh, the bullet feed. LeBron James to Anthony Davis for the flush. Lakers lead the series 1-0. Memphis leads the game, and James cuts into it out of the timeout. Easy pickings for LA.
That's a total difference between the two.
Lob it up. James finishes the setup by Reeves. Extended possession for the Grizzlies. Brooks. 99-88. James off the heel. Long rebound, Russell. Hachimura. That won't go. The tip in. LeBron James gets the roll. 18 points, 8 rebounds, 3 blocks, 3 assists for Jackson. Lakers running out of time. Davis bottoms on a 3. 59 seconds on the clock. It's 101-93. Memphis needed a W, and they get it in game 2. The series is tied at 1-1.